everyone. Today I'll be leading you through a practice known as Yoga Nidra. Yoga Nidra is an ancient meditation practice that supports psychological, physical, and spiritual healing. The term Yoga Nidra is comprised of two words from the Indian Sanskrit language. Yoga, the view, path, and means by which you experience your interconnection with yourself and all life, and Nidra, changing states of consciousness such as waking, sleeping, and dreaming, which include sensations, emotions, thoughts, and images. Yoga Nidra is made up of a sequence of meditation practices that help you feel connected to yourself, with others, and to the world around you. Yoga Nidra is commonly known as yogic sleep. It's a guided meditation that can take you to the conscious state between being awake and being asleep. It's deeply relaxing, it relieves stress, and it's being used in the US military as part of the treatment for PTSD. I will be reading to you today from the book, this one, The iRest Program for Healing for PTSD by Richard Miller, who created the iRest program. He is also the one that defined Yoga Nidra that I just read to you. But the common phrase yogic sleep is widespread among the yoga community, and you can Google that and find more information about it yourself. iRest stands for Integrated Restoration, which is a modern day variation on the ancient practice of Yoga Nidra. It's integrative because it addresses both psychological and physical issues such as stress, trauma, insomnia, and pain in your body and your mind. It's restorative because it helps you recover your inner resources of joy, peace, and well-being, which enable you to feel connected to yourself and all life. The practice of iRest Yoga Nidra integrates and restores so that you can experience well-being wherever you are, whomever you're with, whatever you're doing, and whatever you're experiencing. So if you're ready, let's get into a position where we can deeply relax. If you are using this practice to help you fall asleep, then you can lie down in your bed if you like. If you just want a restorative practice or you just want to find deep relaxation, then I suggest you lie down somewhere, but maybe prop yourself up. First of all, you want to make sure that you're comfortable when you prop yourself up. I use bolsters or pillows, but I like to have that support so I can deeply relax and maybe not fall asleep. I prefer to be in support of a restorative fish pose when I do this. As you do it a few times, you'll find a position that works best for you. So if you happen to purchase this book or you have this book or you want to get this book, just so you know, I'll be doing the 8-minute practice from the book. It's on page 180. So if you're ready, maybe dim the lights, take a few deep breaths, get yourself comfortable, maybe pause this until you're ready, and then we will begin. With your eyes open or closed, welcome the environment and sounds around you. The touch of air on your skin. The sensations where your body touches the surface that's supporting it. Welcome and affirm your heartfelt mission. The feeling of life living you with purpose, meaning, and value. Welcome and affirm your intention that supports you in realizing your heartfelt mission in your daily life. Welcome and affirm your inner resource, the felt sense of well-being and of being secure and at ease in this and every moment. Bring attention to sensations in your jaw, your mouth, your ears, eyes, forehead, scalp, neck, shoulders, arms, palms, and fingers. Bring attention to sensations in your torso, legs, feet, and toes. Bring attention to sensations through your entire body. Your body as a field of radiant sensation. Feel yourself as the observer of all the sensations that are present. Affirm to yourself, I am aware, I am at ease, I am safe and secure with myself. Sense your body breathing itself. Your abdomen expanding with each inhalation. Your abdomen releasing with each exhalation. With each exhalation, affirm to yourself, I am aware and at ease. I am aware and at ease. Note and welcome emotions and thoughts that are present without trying to change anything. Welcoming your experience just as it is. If it's helpful, note and experience opposites of the emotions and thoughts that are present. All the while noting actions that these messengers are inviting you to take in your life. Affirm to yourself, I have within me the perfect response to each moment. Welcome joy and well-being. Welcome the ease and joy of simply being. Welcome yourself as the observer of everything that you're experiencing. Note how everything is arising and passing away in your awareness. Welcome yourself as the spacious openness of awareness. Undeniable, indescribable, everywhere, inside, outside. Welcome the feeling of wholeness. Yourself as a unique expression of the wholeness of life. Feel wholeness of life while also feeling yourself and everything interconnected and not separate. Feeling yourself as a unique expression of the wholeness of life. Take a few moments to just focus on your breath here. And gently, we start to come back into life. As you're ready, maybe open and close your eyes several times while welcoming your inner resource of well-being. Notice feeling grounded and connected to yourself and the world around you. And the feeling of life living you, giving your life a sense of purpose, meaning, and value. Take a few breaths, noticing that feeling of being grounded and connected. As you're ready, come back to your wide awake state of mind and body, allowing the feeling of well-being to remain with you as you move back now into your daily life. Feeling gratitude for taking this time for experiencing your health, healing, and wholeness, and for taking this time to practice iRest, Yoga Nidra. Maybe take a few breaths here, exhaling through the mouth if that feels good. Feeling a sense of calm throughout you. I'd like to thank you for practicing Yoga Nidra with me today. This program or this practice can be done by anyone, any age, anytime you need it. Finish one more big breath here, letting the exhale last as long as you can, maybe twice as long as the inhale. Namaste.